Hi everyone, it's Raquel of Raquel's Caribbean Cuisine, and today I'm going to be making Jamaican style steamed fish with okra. I must say, I was really feeling for some fresh red snapper fish. I took a drive all the way down to the seaside. I waited on the boat and got myself these beauties. It doesn't get any fresher than this. Straight from the sea to my pot. This dish will not only be looking good, but it's going to be healthy eating, and it was ready in less than 30 minutes. These fishes were washed and cleaned with some limes. I'm just going to make a few slices in the fish so the flavors will be able to seep within. Seasoning using some salt, some black pepper, and some of my mixed seasoned blend. A breakdown of the mixed blend will be down below in the description box. It's best to use your fingers when seasoning the fish, just so the seasoning will be able to distribute evenly, but just be careful of the fish bones. This wasn't even planned, but I went ahead and chopped some callaloo and some okra, and I'm going to use this and stuff the fishes. So this is going to be steamed fish stuffed with callaloo and okra. I told you this was going to be some healthy stuff. Yes. Right, so here I have some chopped veggies, some okra, garlic and onion, carrots and pumpkin, tomatoes and sweet peppers. A Dutch pot over medium heat. I'm just going to add some butter along with some of my homemade virgin coconut oil. A link on how to make that will be down below in the description box. Now I'm going to add all the veggies. Gonna stir fry this a bit, and oh my goodness, this is smelling really good. You see that coconut oil? Yes man, the whole combination just smelling amazing. It's steamed fish. It's just going to be so flavorful. If you follow this recipe, you just can't go wrong. I'm just gonna add some of my mixed blend, a bit of salt, and just mix that in. Also gonna add some pumpkin flavored noodle soup mix. I only want the flavor from the soup mix. I'm just gonna strain off the noodles. When I tell you how good this is smelling, and you know what would be really nice now? Adding in some coconut milk. But another time, just gonna add some water, not too much, because when the fish is added, it's gonna spring a lot of water. So just mix that in. Now here is where you're gonna taste and adjust to your liking. Add some salt if needed. Now I'm going in with these beautiful callaloo stuffed red snapper fish. Now, lower the heat to its very lowest, cover and allow to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes of cooking, oh my goodness, this is looking so good. Steamed fish and okra is ready. Smelling amazing. I really wish I had some crackers. Just serve and enjoy. Thank you so very much for watching, guys. Remember to hit that subscription button, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and to also give me your feedback in the comment section. Bye.